welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling a topic that many of us are working on, creating a perfect work-life balance. Today we will discuss how technology can help us create a more healthy and balanced lifestyle. The first step to achieving work-life balance is setting boundaries. Tools like Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook allows you to block off personal time. You can use these tools to set work hours and then it will silence your notification outside these hours. Another way to set boundary is using Do Not Disturb feature. Both iOS and Android have this feature which allows you to customize notification for certain hours. So you can use these features so that you do not get disturbed by work emails during your personal time. Next, staying organized is very crucial for your balanced life. You can use a digital task list for staying organized. You can add all your tasks in these apps, whether it is personal or professional. And when you start your day, identify the priority tasks and work on those tasks first. At the end of the day, mark the tasks which are completed so that you can end your day with a clear mind. One powerful approach for balanced life is automating routine tasks. You can automate small, repetitive processes like sending reminders, sorting files, sending routine communication. When you automate this process, it will free up your time and mental space, which you can utilize for some other task or you can utilize it for your personal time. Unplugging is essential and you can use wellness reminders just to do that. You can use wellness reminders for drinking water, for taking a walk, for doing meditation, for stretching, or for taking small breaks. These breaks are essential as they help you to focus and it prevents burnout. Track your screen time and set a daily limit for your screen time. Tracking and setting daily limit for a screen time is very essential as you can adjust your habit accordingly and it will create more time for yourself. These were just few tips, but you can use technology in multiple ways to improve your work-life balance. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow in another video.